Today I'm gonna show y'all how to make chicken and rice. Get some bell peppers, put it in here. The chicken right here, we're gonna season the chicken real quick. First, you gotta wash your chicken. Start with paprika first, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, red pepper, also mama barbera. Ooh, and now we mix it up. Now we're gonna add the chicken into the pan. We're not gonna touch it, we're just gonna let it cook for now. We're gonna make our rice. Now we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna put the lid now. While the food is cooking, we gotta clean the table. Now as y'all can see, the rice is boiling. Now we cover it up.